Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. Today, we're exploring Mycelium Wallet, a mobile-first Bitcoin wallet found at https://wallet.mycelium.com. Mycelium has built a reputation for being a powerful tool for managing your Bitcoin, but it's also known for having a steeper learning curve than some other wallet options. This means it's packed with features, but you might need to put in a little extra effort to understand them all. Mycelium's strength lies in its focus on security and privacy. It's a non-custodial wallet, meaning you, and only you, control your private keys. This puts you firmly in the driver's seat when it comes to your Bitcoin. The wallet also integrates with hardware wallets for an added layer of security, offering peace of mind for those holding significant amounts. Advanced users will appreciate features like Tor integration for anonymous transactions and the ability to connect directly to the Bitcoin network. Navigating the interface can be a bit challenging for newcomers, with a multitude of options and settings. While this complexity might seem daunting initially, it unlocks a level of control and customization that other wallets simply don't offer. You'll find options to manage multiple accounts, customize transaction fees for faster or slower confirmations, and even integrate with other Bitcoin services. Essentially, Mycelium allows you to fine-tune your Bitcoin experience to your specific needs. If you're new to Bitcoin or prefer a simpler interface, Mycelium might feel a bit overwhelming at first. However, if you value security, privacy, and a wide range of features, the initial learning curve is well worth the effort. It's a powerful tool for experienced Bitcoin users and those willing to delve a little deeper into the world of cryptocurrency management. So, if you're ready to take control of your Bitcoin with a robust and feature-rich wallet, head over to https://wallet.mycelium.com and explore what Mycelium has to offer. Remember, responsible Bitcoin management requires research and understanding, so take your time, explore the resources available, and always prioritize security.